Benny the Magical Bus. Hey little learners, welcome to Fun Zone Kids. I'm Steve, and today I have a magical story for you. You know the song Wheels on the Bus, right? But, do you know the story behind it? Let's jump in and find out. Once in a small quiet town, there was a brand new, bright yellow bus named Benny. But poor Benny, he was always alone in the garage. I wish I could take kids on fun adventures. That night, Benny made a wish under the twinkling stars. I wish I could go round and round and make everyone happy. You've got a kind heart, Benny. Here's a magical song to guide your way. The next day, Benny drove out proudly for the first time. He stopped in front of a house. Wow, a talking bus. More children came running with their school bags and big smiles. Let's go, friends. Benny took them through the forest, past tall hills, and even near the zoo. Even the animals were grooving with the song. When the sun began to set, Benny brought the children home safely. I'll always be here to take you on magical rides. And from that day on, Benny became the town's favorite bus. Every day, he went, all through the town. Wasn't that fun? If you loved Benny's story, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Fun Zone Kids, and tap the bell so you don't miss more magical stories.